Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on Bitcoin monthly, I definitely think this move down is a trend. It looks very clearly to be a five-way pattern. I think it's actually going to be a wave A. This move up on the monthly definitely looks pretty impulsive, which tells me that's probably a trend also, probably a wave A. I bet this move down is going to be a crutch into this move up. I think it's going to be a wave B, and I believe it's going to go up again to make a wave C. I think this is all going to be an A, B, C, or B, and I still think that this is going to go down again to make a wave C to one of these two Fibonacci levels before we potentially end up continuing the uptrend. So we are talking about the monthly, so that's going to take a very, very long time to play out. So going down to the weekly time frame is where you can see the breakup structure to the upside, which tells us this whole downtrend is over. Then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-way pattern up, most likely a wave A. I think this move down is most likely going to be a crescent like a wave B. It definitely looks very overlapping, especially on the shorter time frames. Then we're probably going to go back up for a wave C of wave B before we go down again. Break structure, proving that this whole three-way pattern is complete, and heading down to make that bigger wave C like I showed on the monthly. So taking it down to the daily time frame is where we can see this correction, which is very, very overlapping. This is probably all part of just a very overlapping correction, which I do not think is over. I think it's more likely to go down to one of these two fib levels to finish off this wave B. Probably someplace in here there's going to be like an A, B, C of B. And once that's complete, we should get an impulsive move up, we should get a breakup structure, and we should get the continuation of the uptrend for that bigger wave C, just like I showed on the weekly. So let's keep going down to the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame, on these shorter time frames, we're just trying to concern ourselves with what we see on the longer time frames, and the longer time frames are telling us that the trend is down. So if I see some sort of a three-way pullback like this up here, three waves up, impulsive down, then I am definitely going to take that as a sorting opportunity for the continuation of what I think is a correction, most likely all part of a wave B on the longer time frames. So let's keep going down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement measuring this last push down. It's actually a very clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that we're in an A, B, C right now. So if we see three waves to the upside, and then we see those three waves bounce off a Fibonacci level with a nice big impulsive engulfing move to the downside, then that's exactly what I want to see for my next entry to go short for the continuation of this downtrend on this time frame, even though on the longer time frames it most likely is all part of a big wave B. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.